Hello everybody, Battle Axe is now released. If you're not familiar with it, this is a pump-action Nerf shotgun that ejects and uses silly shells. This is a system of Nerf shotgun shell that allows you to fire many different types of ammo. So this is 3 rival balls, 3 elite darts, and let's stick a mega on top. So, close that up, and then fire darts and eject shells. There you go. So, Battle Axe is now released on printables, so you can download the files for free and go and build one. Hardware kits are available from Silverfox Industries and OutOfDarts. I'll leave links to those in the video description. And you can also self-source your hardware. I have listed all of the bits that you need in a big ol' spreadsheet, and you can go and get them yourself if you want. I recommend that you buy hardware kits because I get a little bit of royalties from that, and it's a lot easier than trying to cut and drill your own bars and measure everything and stuff like that. So go buy a hardware kit, download the free files, and print yourself a Battle Axe and tons of silly shells, because they're awesome. Like that. So yeah, these files are free. If you want to help support me so I can make more cool stuff like this, I have a Patreon that you can go to and subscribe to, or patronage to, and that would be great. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.